I'm Thomas.
I'm Christian.
And we love to play with fire.
Well, sometimes it gets a little bit out of hand. Our idea to use this fascinating physical principle to create a unique product for everybody's home. After months in the lab, we came up with SPIN, our own fire tornado.
The secret behind 3 lit guide blades.
Whether you are relaxing at home or enjoying an evening with your friends, SPIN is a perfect mood setter and mind cleaner. And a centerpiece for a social atmosphere. On colder days, SPIN is a fantastic source of warmth outdoors.
And the wind can try its best, but SPIN will always burn.
This little add-on part adds even more style when placed on the ground. Or attach the SPIN rod, which can be plugged into grass, flower beds or a planter and become a beautiful torch.
There is no other product as compact that puts up a bigger flame. A spinning flame in a glass tube. Beautiful, soothing and warm.
But now we need your help to light up SPIN.
So help us to help you to get an amazing fire tornado for your home.